Hello Travers, this is the new L1 flashlight from Wuben. It has a 180-degree rotating head with two lenses inside, one which is a spotlight with 350 meters of throw and about 2000 lumens, and the other is a floodlight with around 1000 lumens. It also doubles as a 4800 mAh power bank to charge other items from its Usbc charging port, which I think makes it very useful and versatile. And you can also still use the flashlights while you're charging something. The floodlight has 3 modes, high, medium and low, while the spotlight has the full range of 4 plus 2 extra modes, that is turbo, high, medium, low and a strobe and SOS mode. I have found the spotlight to be very handy and useful, especially in the sort of L shape or forward facing configuration. This configuration also makes aiming and spotting things much more easy on the wrist than when it is facing upwards, unless you're using it with your hand lower by your side. The flashlight also has a nice durable clip, which makes it easy to clip onto a backpack and have it facing forward while you're walking along. It does have an individual button for each light head, and so when you turn on the lights, the buttons stay in the same place. The top button is for the spotlight and the bottom one is for the floodlight, so you have to remember which button does which when you're rotating the heads. It does take a few minutes to get used to, but once you get used to it, you don't often confuse them. These buttons, I did find them a little bit too easy to press sometimes, and I did find on several occasions that it accidentally did turn on while it was in my pocket or while I was taking it out of or putting it into my pocket, which could be a bit dangerous because the lenses do get quite warm and could melt or cause a fire. And unfortunately I couldn't see any settings in the manual to indicate that there is a way to lock the buttons like some other flashlights do have that option. Finally, the rear has a nice strong magnet on it, which is very useful and makes it easy to temporarily mount it somewhere so you can use the light hands-free. Finally, it is also water resistant and very durable, so you can use it without worrying about any damage. It is a little bit more expensive than some of the other offerings, coming in at about $79 US or about 120 Australian, but for this price you're kind of getting 2 in 1, so I think that it is kind of worth it. In the box you also do get a nice USB-C charging cable, holster and lanyard. If you are in the market for a nice dual flashlight, which also is a great power bank, then I would definitely recommend checking it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one.